welcome back. Today we look a little bit different because we're gonna get wet. We've got a whole bunch of water accessories for the pressure washer and sprayers. Today we're actually taking a look at the water broom and undercarriage cleaner. This is a 2-in-1 and looks really, really cool. Let's get started. All right, welcome back guys. Again, today we're looking at the Ryobi water broom and undercarriage cleaner. Now this one is really cool because it's a 2-in-1. It's technically kind of a broom is what they advertise it as, a water broom. I've been told it basically just kind of pushes stuff. It's not really a pressure washer cleaner. So you're not looking at this to actually clean the ground or pressure wash the cement or whatever it is. It really just pushes things out of the way. So cool, but what I'm really excited about is the undercarriage cleaner. So you can flip it around and clean under your car or under a small area because it's got these little wheels and you can kind of roll it underneath your car and get some length there. So that's what I'm most excited about. Let's look at a few things on the box here. First off, it has the 11-inch cleaning path, so it's not huge. I would personally like it to be a little bit bigger, but this will allow it to get in kind of smaller, tighter areas, again, underneath a vehicle. If you're using it to like push stuff, I'd want to see more like 24 inches, like a big push broom size. But again, 11 inches is fine for what I hope it's really good at, which is, again, cleaning under the car. 2-position pivot, again, for those, to get into those areas. 3 high-pressure nozzles. Again, just little nozzles along there. Pretty simple. Just looking on the back, again, it can go up to, the max PSI is 3,300, so be aware. Most pressure washers are under that. You'll be fine. 3.0 GPM, and it has the 1/4 quick connect. So that's what it is. Again, recommended for driveways, wood decks, and car undercarriages. One last thing I want to point out about this tool specifically is we did get this from Direct Tools. So this is a factory blemished product. So again, if you're in the east, specifically the southeast of the United States, we have these direct tool outlet places where you can go get tools that are blemished or slightly factory blemished. Again, on these last, we had these speakers that we picked up, and they have a marking that says that they were factory blemished, but really I can't see anything wrong with them other than the fact that they wrote on them blemished or they marked them. So really cool. Again, they will ship to you. So I had a really good experience. I've only been in there one time and picked up a few things, but I've been really impressed with Direct Tools. So if you have one in your area, or if you want to go check them out online, again, we're not sponsored by them. We're not affiliated with them. We're not affiliated with Ryobi, but really cool place to get discounted or even discontinued Ryobi products. So check that out. Let's go ahead and open this one up. Just one little latch on the back here. Go ahead, operator's manual coming out here. Again, just kind of shows us how this works, undercarriage. It's good to hang on to. And then really, really simple here. Not very big. Again, it's really small. It has these little itty bitty sprayer heads. It's got a little pull here. This is really simple. Just a little pull that goes back and forth that way. So you've got 1, pull this out, 2. And there's your two settings. Again, this side up for undercarriage and straight position for the water broom. So that pushes the water broom like that, or I guess like that. I guess you're going that way, water broom, and then undercarriage. So you can switch it and then go for the undercarriage. So really excited to try this out. I'm gonna wash the car and we're gonna use it for the undercarriage. I will use it on the driveway a little bit just to show you that it doesn't, or to see what it does. I don't know. I've been told that it does not clean the cement like their cement cleaners, like the actual circle ones. We're gonna try those out as well. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out. But pretty cool. Let's go try it out. All right, so we are back here with the Ryobi brushless electric pressure washer. We also have, what I'm super excited for, is the undercarriage and water broom. So we'll try out both, show how both of these work, but specifically the undercarriage is what I'm most excited for. So we'll see how that works and try it out. Now, I want to give a try with the undercarriage. So we're gonna put that one away, and we may need to get a different attachment for this, but for now, let's go ahead and set up the water broom, or undercarriage rather. So this side up, which means we need it angled like that. And then it just quick connects here, like that. All right, so we'll turn it on. And I'm just gonna give this a nice little spray and see what this, that's pretty cool, look at that. So, all right, let's go ahead and come under here. I mean, that's a lot of water. So I think I'm gonna get the longer attachment and we'll send it the full length of the car. See how that works. All right, and we're gonna put this bad boy on. So now we've got the long extension and we can extend this even further. But for now, we'll go ahead and just put this on here. Okay, let's see if this works. Oh, that's difficult to control. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and use the water broom side. So we flipped this over, this little switch. So if we switch it that way, now it's just kind of straight down. It's an inline, and then we just, so just straight down. I mean, that's kind of cleaning. That actually looks like that cleaned it a little bit. That took off some of the dirt. I'm impressed. Like, they said that I mean, it is a water broom, so it should be brooming, but it's, I mean, it's doing the job. Like, I mean, it's taking the dirt off, but it'd really be nice if it was like 24 inches, not 11. And it's using a lot of water. Okay, so that wasn't even a good test because the water was actually technically off. So that was just using the remaining pressure in the line. Let's build the pressure back up here. There comes the soap again as the pressure's not high enough. Okay, here we go. 2. All that soap that built up in the line. It'll be harder to tell, but I think that's it. I mean, I wouldn't want to do it for the whole driveway, but I like what I'm seeing because that means that it's doing a really good job on the undercarriage. You just kind of go steadily along. The nozzles are actually almost not close enough to each other. You can kind of see the lines that that's making. So it's picking up dirt, like it's getting the dirt off the ground. So that's impressive. Like I'm impressed that it's doing that. It means it's doing a good job underneath. But you can see how there's streaks. They're almost not close enough together. So you'd have to make a lot of passes. I don't know that I'd like to do that, you know, with this thing for the entire driveway, but it's pretty cool. All right, so as far as the water broom, I was actually more impressed with the water broom than I thought I would be. It definitely can get stuff off the cement that I didn't think it would be able to. It's not really efficient. If you're going to use it as a broom, it's really more of just getting debris, dust, dirt, surface stuff. I wouldn't think that it's good for actually deep cleaning. Get one of the circle cleaners or something like that. We've got other videos on the circle cleaner, but as far as the undercarriage, now, unfortunately, I'm not gonna lift up my car and look underneath and see how well it did, but based on what it was doing to the cement, I'm actually really happy with the potential of what it's doing under the car as far as getting debris. And really for us here in Florida, it's the sand and salty air. In other places, it's gonna be the salt from the road and things like that. But as for right now, I'm happy with it. Again, for a broom, I think it should be more like 24 inches, but then you need a gas-powered pressure washer, and it's gonna have to be a lot more powered. They're also not very close together, in my opinion, for a broom, but it does a good job. And again, for underneath the car, I think it's awesome. Definitely wanted to use the longer pole. Gonna need to get a bigger attachment or use the pole attachment that I have for the future, but again, really cool. I like it. If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what tool, what attachments, what are the things you want to see from the channel next, and we'll catch you in the next one. See you guys. How well it was working. Oh, I think the water's off. Hold on.
Honey, what happened?
I turned the water off. Silly me.
My entire belly is crumbed. My chin hurts.
Hold on, let me spray you out.
With what? Pressure washer?